Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram story music feature not available problem. So let's start. First of all, let me tell you one thing that Instagram story music feature is available in some countries. So if it is not available in your country, so just do a simple thing. So first of all, you have to go to your Play Store, and here you just simply type in the search bar browse it, and I will suggest you this one because it is fast and secure as well. So after installing this, just open this and click on turn on the VPN, and then go back to your Instagram account, and here you just go to the home page and click on your story, and I will make a small video. So after that, just swipe up, and now you see my music option is available. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.